The American Aerospace Corporation Boeing has suspended flight tests of its 777X series airliners due to the discovery of damage to a component in one of the aircraft. The specific issue discovered on the 777X was damage to a structural component that connects the engine to the wing. This component, known as a pylon, was found to have cracks in one of the test aircraft. Following this discovery, Boeing grounded its entire test fleet of 777X aircraft to investigate the root cause and assess the extent of the damage. The damaged part, which was custom-made, was discovered during routine maintenance. The company stated that it informed the US Federal Aviation Administration and its customers, who have ordered 481 of the 777X aircraft. Flight tests are expected to resume after the part is replaced. The impact of this delay on the 777X's timeline is significant. The program has already faced numerous setbacks, and this latest issue could further push back the certification and delivery schedule. Analysts are now predicting that the first deliveries of the 777X may not occur until 2026, rather than the previously anticipated timeframe of 2025. In March 2019, Boeing presented its latest wide-body airliner. It was announced that it would be the largest and most efficient twin-engine jet in the world. According to the company, the Boeing 777X will offer 10% lower fuel consumption and emissions, as well as 10% lower operating costs compared to its competitors. The first flight was initially planned for the fall of 2019, with the first customer deliveries expected in 2020. However, in September 2019, Boeing encountered technical issues during the 777X's pressurization testing. Now, do you think this is a quality or technical issue? Let us know in the comments. Don't miss out on the latest aerospace insights. Hit that like and subscribe button for more amazing content.